Hello friend, welcome to Remote Sensing Sathi. Today I will learn how to install MapInfo by setup MapInfo setup. Okay, at first open the setup. Run the setup application file. It makes some time. Do you allow this application to unknown publisher to make changes your device? Yes. The setup is running or installing. Next, next. Mass Corporation Private Limited. Username, you can place your name or window user is default. Next, typical or custom, typical. Next, next, install. The run will be start soon. Copy the crack file. Run will start. C drive, programs file. Here are the MapInfo Professional. Paste the file, crack file. MapInfo setup or running. Registering executive or running. You can see the status of running. What will run? You can see at in your status, installing status. MapInfo will open. Now MapInfo will be ready for use. You can here open any file folder and it can be used for your job or work for your target. Thank you very much to watch the video. If you like this video, please like the video, and you have any question, please comment the on comment section. Thank you very much.